Hello friends, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Live to Explore. Like every weekend, we are all set to explore a new destination. So today we are going to explore two places. One is well known and one is less known. So we already covered half of the way. So I will keep you updated where we are going on the way. So let's proceed.
Do you want to know?
So the first place we will explore is Arkabati Dam. So it is near Sangam Mekedatu Road. So while going to Mekedatu, right, you need to take a left. Anyway, I will give you the GPS link in the description. You just click that and you will reach the destination. And once we will return from Arkabati Dam, we will go to Mekedatu. Mekedatu also we should visit during monsoon or right after monsoon, because you will get a very good view of Kaveri river, because it will be almost full flow. So yeah, so let's proceed. I think 5 more kilometers remaining to reach Arkabati Dam. So once I will reach there, I will show you the place. Okay, so let's proceed. As soon as you turn left from Sangam Mekedatu Road, right, you will come across lot of small villages. The roads are completely narrow, but you can go by car, not a problem. And the drive is really scenic. Both sides you will see lot of farmland, and really it's an awesome drive. But road conditions are not so great. So from this location, Arkabati Dam is 500 meters
next
only.
left. In 500 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
So we just reached here, Arkabati Dam. As I told you, right, this is kind of less known. As you see, we are the only person here. There is no vehicle, there is no other tourist. Okay, and here the gate is closed, but you can just walk away. There is a space around, so you can just walk inside. So let's go. Let me show you the place. It's too sunny out there, so I just put up the hat. See here, let me show you a 360-degree view. Such a beautiful place. But if you are planning to come here, plan little early. Maybe try to reach here by maybe 9 o'clock. Otherwise in the evening. So as usual, let me show you a cinematic clip of this place. After that I will meet you. Okay. We just came back. It's too much sunny out there. So Arkabati Dam is 75 km from Bangalore approximate. So it will take you 2 hours to reach here. So it is in Sangam Mekkedatu Road, right? You need to take a left. As I told you, right? You just follow the Google Map link which I have given in the description. Directly you will reach it here. Okay. So now it's 1:30. Now we will have our lunch. We packed from home. So we'll take some rest here because it's too much sunny. And after that we will proceed for Mekkedatu. Okay. Anyway, I will keep you posted. We had our lunch and took some rest. It's 3:30 now. I think now we should proceed for Mekkedatu because there will be a forest checkpost and we should return before 6 p.m. There might be rule. Okay. So let's proceed and I will show you the entire place once I will reach there. Okay. From Arkabati Dam, Mekkedatu is 23 km, which will take approximate 40 minutes as per GPS. Better you select Mekkedatu KSTDC restaurant, otherwise it will show you a forest route which is closed. So 8 km before reaching Mekkedatu, there is a forest checkpost, and I just checked with the forest guard. He told me they are closing the gate at 6 p.m. So if you are planning to visit here, right, make sure you just return before 6 p.m. That's all. So let's proceed. After the forest checkpost, I think after a couple of kilometers, right, you will notice there is a off-road left side. Let me show you. So this one. Okay. So left side you notice this place, people parked here, and it's really a scenic view. Okay, so let's go there. I will just give you a glimpse of the entire area, then we will proceed. Okay, see here, a 360-degree view. Let's proceed. One kilometer before reaching Mekkedatu, you will notice there is a left turn. Okay, so actually you should take that left turn because you will end up in a bridge, and both side, right, you will see the flow of Kaveri river. In fact, looks like it's a Sangam. Two rivers are joining in one place in just beside the bridge, and yeah, it's a really scenic place. You can just stop for 15-20 minutes to take some snaps. So let me show you quickly the place around. You can choose to stop here when you will plan, right? We spent some time here. Now let's go back to the main road and we'll complete the remaining 1 kilometer. We will reach soon in 5 minutes. We just reached. Looks like water level is too high as expected. Actually, the Mekkedatu, right, you need to cross the river through Korakal. Then from there, right, either you can choose to track, otherwise they provide this bus, mini bus, to go at least I think 2 to 3 kilometer to reach actually the Mekkedatu, the place, right. Looks like we cannot go there, but yeah, the place looks really beautiful. Actually, I came here 2-3 times. Most of the places, right, I already visited. So let's go there and enjoy. As usual, I will show you the entire place in cinematic style. So enjoy that. After that, we will meet again. Okay. We spent some time in the water and just now we came back. I should have brought a few clothes, right, extra clothes, so that I could have taken bath in Kaveri river, though I did many times, but the water is super clean and the water level is also quite high. Okay, as expected, and the viewpoint is closed, so there is no coracle operational at this moment. So if you are visiting this place, right, you just enjoy the place surrounding and enjoy the view. It's full of water level. I think now time to say bye for at least today. As you know, right, I keep uploading videos every Thursday. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification. So till then, take care guys, stay safe, stay healthy, bye bye.